In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pork scotch burnt ends. So for this recipe, I'm obviously using a pork scotch. This one weighs in at around 1.5 kilos. I like using these because they come skinless and they don't need much trimming at all. There's not really any excess fat I need to get rid of. There's just a little bit of silver skin. And as you can see, we haven't had to trim much off that at all. And now we just want to slice and dice this into around 1 to 1.5 inch cubes. Then you can get them seasoned up in your favorite barbecue rub. I'm going to go down with a base coat of our honey soy slammer, then I'm going to top it off with our steak shooter. And now these are ready for the smoker. And we've got our drum smoking away at around 275 Fahrenheit or 135 Celsius with some nectarine smoke. So now we can get our pork scotch cubes on. Then we'll shut our lid and let them smoke away. And now our pork scotch cubes are on, I'm going to let them go for around 90 minutes to 2 hours until they develop a really nice color and that rub has set on the meat. And after 90 minutes, our pork scotch cubes are looking absolutely fantastic. So what we'll do now is get them into a foil tray. And into our tray, we're going to get a cup of apple juice. We'll drizzle over a few tablespoons worth of honey, then a good tablespoon worth of brown sugar, and a few tablespoons worth of butter. Then we'll cover our tray in foil, we'll get them back in the smoker, and we'll keep cooking these until they are tender, which I reckon will take another 90 minutes or so. Alright, so our pork scotch cubes have been going for about 1.5 hours now. Let's check on them for tenderness. They are feeling very tender. They just want to fall apart. So once you're happy with the tenderness, go ahead and add some of your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm just going to be using some of our Hookshot whiskey and jalapeno barbecue sauce. Then give your pork cubes a good mix, shut the lid, and we'll let that sauce tuck up for around 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I'll give them one more mix, then I'll give them one final 10 minutes for that sauce to tuck up before we serve them. Sweet, sticky, tender, juicy, and delicious. So there you have it. There's how to make pork scotch burnt ends. If you enjoyed this video and don't want to miss our next ones, make sure you subscribe to our channel. I'll put everything you need to know down in the video description. But for now, that's the end of the video. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.